Toyota's Land Cruiser FJ. Diesel engine delayed until 2029, Toyota's new Land Cruiser FJ, currently rolling off production lines in Thailand, will initially launch with a 2.7-liter gasoline engine. While the vehicle is designed as a compact, capable off-roader, buyers hoping for a diesel option will have to wait until 2029. This delay isn't accidental. It allows Toyota time to integrate more advanced emissions technology, ensuring compliance with tightening global regulations. Gasoline engine launch, the Land Cruiser FJ will first be available with a naturally aspirated 2.7-liter gasoline engine, producing 161 horsepower and 181 lb-ft of torque. This engine is well established within Toyota's lineup, also powering models like the Land Cruiser Prado, Fortuner, and Hilux. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox and a part-time 4WD system. Diesel engine potential, according to reports from Japan's Best Car. Toyota is planning to add a 2.8-liter 4-cylinder turbodiesel engine to the FJ lineup. This engine, already used in the larger Land Cruiser 250 and Hilux, generates 201 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque, more than doubling the gasoline unit's torque. The diesel has also been tested with a 48V mild hybrid system, though it's unclear if this electrified version will be offered. Why the delay? The 3-year gap before the diesel engine arrives isn't random. It allows Toyota to equip the engine with advanced emissions hardware, ensuring the FJ remains compliant in markets like Japan beyond 2030. The older 2.7-liter gasoline engine may struggle to meet stricter future standards. Market expansion, the diesel's introduction could unlock new markets, including Australia, where Toyota executives have stated the FJ would be more competitive with a Euro 6 compliant powertrain. The FJ is launching in Japan in May 2026 with a single trim-level VX, and will expand to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, South America, and Africa. For now, North America and Europe remain excluded from the rollout plans. The Land Cruiser FJ's initial release focuses on regions where the gasoline engine meets current regulations, while Toyota prepares the diesel option for stricter future standards. Toyota's strategic delay on the diesel engine underscores the growing pressure on automakers to balance performance with increasingly stringent environmental requirements. The FJ's long-term success hinges on its ability to adapt to these changing demands.